Hello everybody and welcome to another money making application. Today we're going to talk about AppTrailers. This is another perk application that you guys could use to stack out those perk points. Take a look at the phone on the left. We're going to show you how to download it. These are both Android phones. The phone on the right is actually running AppTrailers as we speak. So let's go ahead and check it out in the Google Play Store. You can also download this on iOS as well. But all you're going to do is type in AppTrailers. We already got it installed. Download it. Let's go to the main home screen. So what you want to do is create a perk account if you don't already have one. And if you have one, just log in. And then what you're going to do, or what I like to do, is go to the watch video section. Now you're going to see up at the top, you got that little star with the green star. That's going to be your perk points. So to get more perk points, you can just go to watch videos. There's a couple different other things you can do, but this is what I like to do. Go to watch videos. Now you're going to select what kind of topic you want to use for videos. There's rapid reviews. There's celebified. Well, it looked like it didn't load. Let's try that again. Sometimes this will happen. There we go. So you got rapid reviews, celebified. You got gaming videos, top videos. So let's just click on celebified. That's actually what I'm running on the right. So we could pick one of these videos. What you want to do is just click on the picture of the video and then click watch. So then it's going to play out, and then once you get the once you get some advertising, you'll get awarded some perk points. Just like you can see on the right phone, I just got 3 perk points for watching that video. Now what you want to do once you've accumulated a significant amount of perk points and you want to do a cash out, go ahead to Perk's website, perk.com. Pretty simple. Log in. You'll see your points at the top right, and then you can click on rewards, and so you got these options: gift cards, tokens, prizes, PayPal, and instant PayPal. I really like to do the instant PayPal daily. They'll get you $1 per every 1,000. You can do up to $2 daily on that, and you get it right away. You can also do PayPal, and there's gift cards. I know that a lot of people like to do Amazon, so that's available for you too as well. And you can do pretty small cash outs. You can do like 25 cents for 350 points, all the way up to $100 for 100,000 points. So that's pretty good because that's every 1,000, and it looks like it starts every 1,000 at about $5. But yeah, that's gonna do it for AppTrailers. It's pretty simple. You're just gonna run these phones, accumulate up these points, and do your cash outs. If you guys like the video, give me a like and a subscribe. If you're curious about what kind of phones I'm using in this video, I'll leave them in the link in the description down below. And as always, happy earnings, have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.